When I was still working my 9 to 5, I knew I needed to build something that could replace my income without chaining me to another job or requiring me to be on site every single day. So I started a remote cleaning business using a very simple paid strategy combined with some strategic outreach. And here's what made it work. I was managing everything from my laptop, spending way less on client acquisition than what each client was worth in lifetime value. So today I run a remote cleaning business that does over $40,000 per month, and I manage the entire operation from my computer. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use local ads combined with strategic layered outreach to get your first 5 high-ticket cleaning clients, all while building a business you can run remotely without being stuck on site or trading your time for money like a traditional cleaning company. So let's get right to it. So here's why most people lose money on paid ads. They compete on price instead of value. So every client costs more to acquire than they make back. This matters even more when you're building remotely because you're not just getting one client, you're building recurring revenue across potentially multiple cities from your laptop. So the first thing you need to do is run a market analysis. So you're going to want to find 5 to 10 competitors in each market, check their pricing, and see what premium services they're charging. So here's what this looks like in practice. I've got my spreadsheet set up tracking competitors across multiple cities, not just my hometown, but every market that I would want to operate in. You can see I'm analyzing pricing in 3 different cities simultaneously. So company A is going to have its own pricing parameters and their own services, and this tells me where the opportunities are. As a remote operator, I can cherry pick the best markets and avoid the race to the bottom pricing wars that local operators can get stuck in. Here's the exact math that changed everything for me. And once you understand pricing, here's the exact math that will change everything for you as it changed everything for me. So $200 per month for recurring cleanings with 6 months on average you retain your client equals $1,200 of lifetime value per client. So again, I've broken this down before, but if you have $200 per visit for a cleaning and you service this person twice a month, right? So 2 cleanings per month, you make about $100 per cleaning. If you were to do this for 5 months straight, you'd have about 10 cleanings. That's already going to be $1,000 in value just from that 5 months. So you can see right now, if you're able to do this effectively, each client that you sign on like this is going to be worth thousands of dollars for your business over the course of a year. This means I can spend $50 to $100 to acquire a client and still be massively profitable when I scale across multiple markets. But here's the unfair advantage. Traditional operators are stuck locally, competing with everyone in their one city. When you're doing it this way, you're building a system that acquires clients in multiple cities potentially from your laptop. So this remote approach is exactly what's allowed me to scale to over $40,000 per month. I'm not limited by one local market's capacity or competition. I'm free to maneuver around however I see fit based on best opportunity. So let me show you local service ads. They show up at the top of Google whenever someone searches cleaning service near me in any city you target. Okay, so this is really what's going to look like, right? You've done this yourself for many different services, I'm sure in the past, but whenever you type in services near me, anything near me, you're using a location within Google to find various different services, products, things like that. So this example here, as you can see, this where it says sponsored cleaning services, this is what we call local service ads in Google, right? It's placed literally at the top. So it's very, very great placement in terms of how the end client is going to be interacting with this platform, right? So here you're able to list your number. They're going to see how many reviews you've been, how many years in service, what kind of pricing you have, and any other specific details about your cleaning service. So this is great in terms of actually being able to market your services in a very hyper-local fashion. Okay, great. So we know that it appears online when people are seeing this. Now, the other element here is actually setting it up on the back end for yourself. So you'll notice on this screen here that you'll see blue and red within the area that I'm trying to target in this section. So what I want you to understand is it gives you capabilities of either showing yourself in certain areas, not showing yourself in certain areas, allowing you to expand as you please, right, with the click of a couple buttons. But it also is based on the market research that we talked about before, right? So we want to target premium zip codes for premium customers. This allows you to get hyper specific about how you actually approach that and how you actually target, which is one of the very, very cool advantages of using a platform like this. And once I've set all that up, I'm really targeting my ideal client profile, right? Busy professionals, mothers with families, people in nice homes who want premium service and convenience over saving an additional 20 bucks. And once I get that attention, I have my sales process. I can take the calls from anywhere. I can give transparent pricing over the phone. There's no, I need to come and see your home first approach. Premium clients want solutions quickly. They don't want the hassle. Quote them, I book them in the system, my local team executes. This client acquisition system feeds teams across multiple locations without me being on site anywhere. And a quick note, if you're a 9 to 5er making $40,000 to $80,000 per year and you want to build a side income like a remote cleaning business, that could potentially replace your income without being stuck on site or trading your time for money, like a traditional cleaning company, I can help you. Inside the growth cleaning protocol, I show you the complete system for building a $10,000 plus per month remote cleaning business. The same system that Luke used to hit 30K plus in 3 months, Mike used to hit 10K in 23 days, and Sam used to hit 20K in 45 days. You get the complete remote cleaning acquisition system, all my templates, scripts, plus direct one-on-one access to me and my team throughout your entire journey. So just click the first link in the description below to apply. And that's it. Let's get back to the video. So here's the problem with ads alone. You're competing with everyone else that's spending money, right? You're not the only one. So you need a layered unfair advantage. And let me show you another strategy that again can be managed from your computer at no ad cost that you actually have to spend, right? Within any local community, there are network groups like Facebook groups and Nextdoors that you can join locally. And within every city you operate, you can be a participant in that. And that's where the beginning of the strategy works. So I'm going to share my screen in a moment here, and we're going to walk through kind of like what does that look like and how would you actually execute something like this. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen. You can see here on the left-hand side, this is a Facebook profile. You can join groups as it says on the left-hand side. You'll see a lot of different groups, right? There's not one specific group that, I'm telling you that you necessarily need to be a part of, but you need to think to yourself, where potentially are customers in the area? Where could they be residing? Are there any industries or groups that could be related to, home services in general and or my perfect ideal customer, right? So I'm not going to go through each of these one at a time, but you can get the sense there's a lot of different groups in here. And once you're finding these groups, this is where the journey begins of finding your target customer within that group. And I'm going to show you an example of what a conversation looks like in the DMs. That way you can see how this strategy actually unrolls once you actually have found your targeted groups in your local community. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through a conversation that would typically happen after you join one of these groups. You're going to want to find active members. You're going to want to find people in the area that potentially could use this service, right? So I want to be clear. You're not messaging on the boards, right? Like you're having a real conversation with a real human on the back end, okay? So this conversation is an example of where we had an intro message. We offered a special. They asked some questions around it. They asked for some clarification, address, price, and then we got a call and closed the customer, right? So this is an example of what you can expect when you're doing this properly. Again, this is a recurring customer. This person doesn't cost you any money, quote unquote, to get, but it just requires a little bit of time and strategy and knowing what to say when in order to actually convert this into a high paying customer. So again, just a refresher on the approach, right? We're engaging in conversations, we're answering questions about home maintenance, we're building rapport, and then we're doing that whole DM exchange offering value. I execute outreach to ideal customers in all these kinds of communities, all done remotely while building authority in multiple markets simultaneously. So let me recap what we just covered. So if you want to get your first 5 high ticket cleaning clients while building a business you can run remotely, you need a few things working together. First, you need to have premium pricing locked in so every client you acquire is actually profitable and worth more than the acquisition cost. Second, you can use local service ads targeting specific cities, zip codes, and markets you want to operate in, giving you the Google credibility and placement to get those premium clients. And third, if you have a layered organic outreach strategy through local online communities, you can create an additional revenue stream without you needing to be physically present. So this is how you build a remote cleaning business, not a traditional cleaning job that chains you to one location. Now, if you want to work with me and my team on using my complete growth cleaning protocol, the same system Mike used to hit 10K per month while keeping his Airbnb business and full-time job, Sarah used while working at a call center, and Sam used it 20K in his first 45 days, click the first link in the description below. You'll get my complete remote business system, all the templates and the automation tools, the step-by-step client acquisition training, and direct one-on-one access to me and my team throughout your entire 120-day journey to 10K per month. I only work with a limited number of people at the same time because of the one-on-one support model. So if you're serious about replacing your 9-to-5 income with a remote business you can actually run from anywhere, click the link now to apply, and I'll see you in the next video.